Making $100,000 in a year may seem ambitious, but with proper planning, consistency, and strategic action, it's entirely achievable. To earn $100,000 in a year, you need to make approximately $8,333 per month, $1,923 per week, and $275 per day. Focus on opportunities that offer scalability and high earning potential, like starting an online business or creating digital products. Month 1 to 3. Choose your niche and start building your audience through a website or social media. Month 4 to 6. Launch your services, market aggressively, and collect testimonials. Month 7 to 9. Increase your pricing, offer upsells, and automate tasks. Month 10 to 12. Maximize profits by exploring additional revenue streams and reinvesting. Track your progress, focus on skill development, and network effectively to support your journey. Building wealth requires consistency, wise reinvestment, and diversifying income streams. Combining high-value services with scalable digital products can help you reach your goal. Utilize tools like Canva, Kajabi, and QuickBooks to aid your success. Making $100,000 is about working smart and focusing on high-income opportunities while maintaining persistence.